Hello, I'm Milt. I'm the president of WireCrafters. Today I'm with Jamie Barnard, the president of Giant Industrial Installations. Jamie, glad to have you here with us today.
Nice to be here.
All right, so what are your goals for 2023?
Our goals for 2023 is really to build off a huge expansion we saw in 2021 that sort of halted in 2022. It's been a little bit of a pullback in residential buying, but we're still quoting. Really, we have a backlog of tons of leads, and we're just waiting for people to start purchasing.
Selling storage lockers in high-rise condominiums in the New York City area, when the pandemic hit, things kind of pulled back a little bit, and you had to kind of look a different direction.
Right. Yeah, so we went to more safety products that are also used in buildings, such as the wire mesh partition.
Right.
You know, sort of went after things that you still needed and couldn't, not just the luxury products that people slowed down with a little bit.
All right. As far as, methods to reach your customers, is there anything new you're doing or different you're doing to get the word out that you're?
Yeah, we you have to have a digital footprint for that.
Yeah.
But for new construction, we like to actually go visit project managers face to face. We do email blasts. We're trying to expand. We do a fair amount in data centers, and we're trying to find new clientele in the data center industry as well.
In your field where you're doing a lot of new construction, but you're also doing work in existing condominiums, but you're doing new construction in commercial, industrial spaces, attracting new talent to work with your company, is that a college degree that's always required or a good mechanical aptitude? How do you see that?
You need both, but believe it or not, the mechanical aptitude is paramount.
Okay.
We could teach you the business side of things, but the mechanical know-how is a must in the industry.
Yeah. All right. Well, Jamie, thank you very much.
Thank you, Milt.
Enjoyed having you here today.